Hey friends, Legion here, back with part 1, or bag 1 if you will, of the Republic Gunship build. Right on this nice, freshly painted table here, done by yours truly. Used to be gray, but had some problems with pieces blending in, and so now I should be able to see everything, right? You know, aside from white pieces, but you know, we'll get through that. And you know, without further ado, let's just dive on in this thing, right? So we got our massive book here. Just go ahead and open that bad boy up. Got a little sticker here. No, collector series. Oh, nice. We got our stickers that we'll eventually be putting on. Right there. So we'll just set those aside for now. And here we are. Big old book. How many pages we got here? 530 pages. Look at that. Yeah, I'm safe to say that might be a little big, yeah? You got some background here. You know, where this was used in the Clone Wars, which is by far, I think, one of my favorite series. You know, just a little description. Pretty cool. Ah, that's cool. Alright, so bags 1 through 4, we'll make that. Bags 5 through 8, we'll do a pretty good chunk of it. 9 through 12, it's getting there. 13 through 16. And last but not least, 17 to complete it out. I don't know if I'll put it on the stand. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I'm not 100% sure yet. Alright, step 1. Now, let's get over to our bags here. We got 2 bags. Number 1. We'll just open it and get it over with. I like that they always put these smaller pieces in a separate bag. You know, less likely to lose them. And you can tell the white doesn't really blend in, so we shouldn't have a problem here, which is good. I was worried about that. You know, grays kind of blended in if you weren't paying attention, and especially when you get in the groove of things, it's hard to see them. I spent many a time looking. Another little bag here. Alright, let's get to it. We're going to start with the base, it looks like, from bag 1. Now I got the bottom of the ship because why not? You need to start with that or it'll be a little difficult to build, am I right? Love the sound of when they snap together. Just like a very, I don't know, just a soothing sound to me. I don't know about anyone else. Well, I'm excited for this. Alright, little guy, where'd you go? Oh, we could just get our brick separated out of here. I got about 20 of these now. You never know. Ah, there you are. So far, this is what we got. You know, a nice little little base going. Oh, already we're flipping her over. Get our pieces here. See the dark one? Yeah, the dark ones. Make sure it's all down. Want everything to be sturdy. That's one thing about these builds sometimes is I think, oh man, that's not going to be sturdy. And then you just keep building. And it sturdies right up. It's already starting to feel sturdy. Need 2 of these. 2 of them. So we gotta put this one first. We're gonna put it right there. Separate. Once I complete this build, next one I'm thinking will probably be the land speeder. Well, the collector series coming out. I know some people already got it, but you know, I don't got it yet, and I'm excited to build it though. Well, let's flip her back over here. Need a long guy. You know, sometimes I like to just get my pieces out. You don't need that one. You need this one. That way I'm not looking for them later. Just makes it a little easier, at least for me. You know, sort through, get them out already. Just have them down here so you're ready to go. And put the long guy. The big, interesting. I feel like they could have done that a little, you know, just put a long guy, but hey, to each their own, am I right? Sometimes it's hard to judge how these go. I've had to pick them off a few times, put them back on. Sucks when you get so many steps ahead. You gotta tear it apart to fix it 'cause you didn't put it in the right spot. But there's only one person whose fault that is, and that's, you know, that's me. Ooh, ooh, that would have been bad. So here we are, got a nice little base going. Get this guy, a couple single ones right here. Flip this bad boy over. I'm actually curious as to how big this will be. Again, know the dimensions, but looks can be deceiving. All right. Definitely want to push it all down, make sure it's all sturdy. Sometimes these don't snap and get that good sound going, but that's okay. Still love it anyways. don't know why they're making me do this upside down. Let's get these guys going first. Might be easier. So these are gonna just line up here. You know what? I'm gonna flip it over for now. This is gonna make it a little easier for me. Actually, what? We're gonna put it right there, right there. I was a little confused there, but hey, we got through it. We got through it. No, that's, you know, a little flimsy there, but I know they got a plan to sturdy it up. We just haven't gotten there yet, and I got this going the wrong way, but that's okay. No, first time, first time. Pieces. How many of these? 3 of them. Thing home from the light up here. I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but I sure can. Oh, right. So now we're gonna put a buttload, 23 of these bad boys up. I don't know how many I got here, but sometimes they give you extra, sometimes they don't. Alright, so go there. Do the same to the other. Put one right in the middle. Whoa, don't you dare. Put one on the inside. Gotta sting it. There you go. Snap it. Right in the middle. This one take me a while to build too. You know, sometimes I get the bad habit of just speeding through. But I want to at least enjoy this. I mean, I still do enjoy it, but you know what I mean? I want to make it last. You can always tear down, rebuild too. No harm in that. That's what I'm going to do with all these back here. So many. So many. There's that sound we love. Connecting all these pieces, which I like. Was that right in the middle? One at the end. Oh, yep, we had just enough. So no extra of these. No big deal. Now we're gonna flip that bad boy over and look. Slides nice. Look at that. A little flimsy yet. So I need 2 of these. Alright. Just like that. 2 more. Make sure it's identical, which it is. We'll get these pieces. Okay, now that's gonna go right here. Just like that. Good, good, good. What way? So I need one of you. One of you. Oh, excuse me, I need two. Where'd you go? There you are. And then just two of you. So we start with this guy. Whoops. Put that like that. How far back? All the way up. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Put it upside down. Key right there. Alright. You know, some of these steps, I feel like they could just throw together. Like, put 4 of these down. They could have put on, you know what, that step, but hey, that's alright. More steps, more build. And same with this one. But hey, not complaining, just saying. I'll put you right here. Make sure those go down like that. Put those back down. 4 doodads. I like to call them doodads. Whoa, come on. You know you want to. Sometimes you just need a little TLC putting these pieces in, but come on, like that guy. You do not want to go. Now we're on step 20 of bag numero uno. Making some good progress I'd say. I don't know how long this will take to completely build. I imagine probably, I don't know, 10 to 20 hours, depending on how fast we want to go. And we're going to savor every minute. Every minute. Alright, so we made our 2 of these. Now we got to put these right over that to keep that piece locked in place. Here we go. Getting somewhere. 2 of these. I wish I had all the Lego sets. You know, kind of regret the ones I did have as a kid, not keeping them or not getting more. You know, asking for more, but we'll get there. You know, we might have to get a couple remakes, but hey, that's okay. Long guy. 2 short pieces. There's 1, there's 2. Put a little extra locking. Line them up. This is where we start to sturdy it up. that's feeling nice. Got some nice weight in the back. Just slide on over there. Don't need you guys yet. So let's go here. Whoa, 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 no. See, like that. Not paying attention. Get our little brick separator. Pop that bad boy right off. Need to go in one more. Silly me. Silly me. Because this guy goes here. Oh, oh, almost missed a step too. Been there too. Get all the major parts done, forget about a little guy like that. Don't I need... Okay, you two are coming with me. Same with you. They're down here. There you are. Hiding from me. Somebody didn't want to go, I suppose. I just gotta get a bunch of stormtroopers to fill this out with. Cool. One ended two. Nope, not you yet. We need you, and we need your sibling. There it is. Two of you, two with that. Okay. A lot of white on this one. Just lift you up, help squeeze you down. We'll do the same here. It's all curved, doesn't it look curved? Oh, didn't mean to do that. Okay, that's all done. Wrong way, wrong one. Now we can go like that. And that. Wrong piece. Need to slow my roll. Getting ahead of the game. Putting pieces where they shouldn't be. Silly me. Oh boy, 8 of these bad boys. I'll just line them up like a train. Choo choo. Sometimes you just gotta laugh at yourself. Okay, that's easy to put on, right there. Just lift them up. And just like that, got rid of that curve. Look at that. Sturdy. Sturdier. Oops. I've been a little lopsided there. Fill that in. Kept this side off. I don't people in the picture might have been a little short. That's not looking like it's going to be super big, but we're only just getting started. There's 4, 5, 6. Put that on the fourth one in. Fourth one in. Easy one to put on. Now where, oh, I see it. It goes on the last guy with the white one. Bam. We're zooming through this. Hard to believe it's already been 25 minutes. Four more. Oh, thought we were about missing one, but nope. They wouldn't do that to us. No way. No, sir. So I got the 4 of them, 2 of these, 4. These look bigger in the picture. Start off with you with the stud facing towards the front or closer to the front. Don't watch, you can put it backwards. I like that they all have Lego. Don't know if you can tell, but they all have Lego written on the top of the stud. That's how you know it's real. One way. Wait, why do I have 4 of these? Oh, I see right there. Okay. Thought I was missing the stuff there. Okay, so we need 2 of these, 4 more of these, 4 of these. And alright, so we're gonna kind of make something like this, but they're gonna go right here. And they're not gonna be attached to each other, they're gonna be separate. So that one goes like that. Now this one we're gonna do the same thing but opposite. Stick the doodads on the other end. Kind of get these lined up a little and then put it on the opposite end here. Just like that. We're getting closer to the end here, boys and girls. Last few steps of bag 1 here. So this is going to go on the inside. Kind of lock all these together. I like it. I like it. One little small guy. I have trouble with these sometimes. My fingers are a little long, a little lanky. Kind of hard to get them in certain spots. I think we have an extra one of these, which we like to see it. Because if we ever get short, now we're going to have an extra one. So we need to do this twice. Go bam. Skip one, bam. Do the same thing with this one here. I'll put these on the inside. and connect them just like that, and then just like, oh shoot, come on, don't you do this to me. Hey, why are you being this way for me? Come on. I got a broken one. He doesn't want to go home. Get in your hole. What am I doing wrong? There it goes. Stubborn. Guy was a little stubborn. Actually, let's wait to do those. We're gonna work this way first. So we put this guy down evenly. Then we put this. I like this green color too. Did I do that wrong? I sure did. I didn't put it back far enough. I wonder if I was sticking out there. And just like that, we got the base, the bottom, bag one, complete. Pretty sturdy. Got a good base going here. And we got a few extra pieces left over, which, you know, they usually do. That way, in case you lose one, or if they miscounted, you know, you got your extras right here. And we'll just keep those off to the side for now. And there we go. Bag one complete. It's got a good base to it, like I said. Got some good weight to it too. This might be a little heavy one too. And yeah, so we got bag two. We'll come next time. You know, we'll just keep going, get it completed. You know, stay tuned for that. Try to do it a video every week. Do a step every week. Yeah, and we'll get this done here in a couple weeks. So stay tuned and peace.